What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Terra Classic, which has had a little pump today. As you can see, 7% up in the last 24 hours. It was a very minimal one. Right now it has started to drop back down in value, so it's just another update on obviously the Binance news that they've announced about a week ago with the burn and so on. Is it going to have a major impact on the value of Terra Classic in the long run over the next couple of days, weeks, months? Is it going to pump back up in value, or is it going to just drop back down? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video and looking at is target predictions covering both buyers and sellers' point of view. Is it worth investing into it still? Is it, should you avoid it, or should you just hold on to it for the long run? And looking at its prediction, especially going into 2023, is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.09% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and Terra Luna has managed to gain this one spot in the top gainers list. As you can see here, in the last hour it has dropped just over a percentage. Over the last day is up 8%, over the week 17% up. Obviously the major increase that's taken place here was when Binance announced about the Terra Luna burn and so on. That's why a lot of people were starting to put their money into it, thinking it's going to go all the way up. But I did let you guys know I'm not expecting much of a change in the value, and yeah, nothing too much happened. Just that one pump is basically fluctuated ever since. It hasn't gone up. Over the month, there's an overall 104% up. We've seen major increases in value in early September and late August as well, gaining over about 300% in the space of about a week. So let's get straight into it. On the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 27% in the last 24 hours, making it $606 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded in Terra Classic. So on the screen right now, guys, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale. On the hourly chart, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the hourly chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Terra Classic, which at the moment is sitting here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the 30-minute and hourly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue line is slightly heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line. So over the next 6 to 8 hours, we should expect an overall minimal drop in value on Terra Classic. Nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal decrease in value over the next 6 to 7 hours. Again, do expect green candles, do expect red candles. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? Looking a little bit similar, nothing too crazy. We've got the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. It's not looking too steep, that's why it does look like it is going in a straight line, but if I zoom out a little bit, we should be able to see that slight slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, so an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Terra Classic to be more or less trading at its current price range. Of course, it's not going to be exactly the same value. It's going to move positive and negative directions, but the overall outcome seems to be hovering just around the current price range, so just below 0.0003 is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, with very minimal changes in between. Now Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line, in this case, they are both looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So yes, guys, an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should be trading above the 0.003 target. And again, the lines are not looking too steep at all. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction. So it's not going to be a major bull run or a price pump or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value over the coming 7 to 8 days, so do expect minor increases in value. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs, guys. Crypto has been very volatile over the last week, especially Bitcoin dropping to 18k, pumping to 21k, and then dropping back down to 19k. It's been positive and negative, it's been absolutely insane, and this will have a major impact not just on value of Terra Classic but the whole crypto market in general. And that is why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis or even on a daily basis on my predictions on the crypto market in general. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis, guys. So as you can see, we are trading in the top tier level, guys, which is absolutely insane. And the only reason why we're doing that is because of the major pump that's taken place here about 4 days ago, literally jumping from the red zone all the way up until the hit the green, sorry, not the green zone, past the green zone, past the dark green zone, into the top tier level here, and we are still trading there. There was a point where we dropped down into the blue zone here, but we did manage to resist and then peak back up in value. So yes, I'm expecting us to trade in the top tier level over the next couple of days, and then potentially slowly and steadily start to drop back down over the coming weeks. So by late October, early November, we should be back down into the red to the green zone, somewhere around here. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Terra Classics, which I will be doing and I have been doing on a regular basis, just to keep you guys updated on the latest news, on the latest updates on this crypto, to see whether it's worth investing into it or not. Again, I'm going to be sticking to my decision, which I made when Terra Classic or Terra Luna started to drop in value a couple of months ago. I will not be investing any more of my money into this crypto. Yes, I do own some, and I'll just be holding on to that, but not anymore. I won't be, putting any more money into this crypto, as I don't think it is sustainable for the long term, and I don't believe that it's going to, go anywhere over the long run as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Terra Classic, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions are on this crypto, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.